how are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ आप कैसे हैं
मैं ठीक हूँ and the good thing is we all are in a mood to celebrate the film that is coming, that is Dil Bechara, right? Now that lot of love the songs and the trailer has received, are you relieved a bit?
no I'm actually feeling more responsible now because the main thing is still left because the trailer and like, I think the Sushant is blessing and people are loving the trailers and loving the music because of A.R. Rahman's magic and Sushant is love. Now the big responsibility is final the film. Everybody should love the film also the way they are loving the trailer. So I'm feeling very very responsible right now. The whole country is waiting for this film and they're looking they're going to watch the film very differently now. So I'm very emotional and very responsible right now.
I know, I totally understand that, we all are emotional when it comes to the film. We all really are emotional. I mean, the film is a special film. The story is very special story, right? I mean, we all
And
watch
also
the original film.
very special story but and also very unfortunate जो हुआ तो this is very different now. This is not a normal. अगर किसी और first time director की film release होती तो उसके life में एक excitement होती to release a film with your hero and but in my life the things are completely different now and everything has changed. Yeah.
I I totally understand that. No, what I was about to say is that, uh, as I said, that we all are very emotional, right?
Yeah.
Right now. Do you really think that not me as a journalist, but there are many critics, right, who are also going to watch the film apart from the audience. Do you think they are going to watch the film? They will be able to watch the film objectively because we all actually are very emotional.
I really don't know about it right now because if you ask me all this, I won't answer right now. I can only see on 25th the way they receive the film because I think everyone is very emotional right now, and we everyone in India because of the condition as such, we all are at home. We're already very, you know, emotional and low, and plus Sushant is no more, and the film is also very emotional. Everybody wants to celebrate the film. So I think that how I don't know how critics are going to receive the film, but right now I'm really not looking at their validation or their reviews. To be honest,
But what I want to know is that what is that one thing that you observed, you noticed that remained constant in Sushant from the time you saw him in Chai Coffee, like where you
mm.
saw him for the first time to till the last shot that you took of the film Dil Bechara.
And I'm really impressed that I remember everything and read everything. I'm so glad I don't have to repeat the same story. I think the one thing special about Sushant that he always used to say that film is just a part of small part of his life. Life is bigger
Hmm.
than that. If you look at his interest in for stars, in NASA, in sports, and quantum physics, in painting, in cricket. So he always used to say that please just don't only think about film. Film life is bigger than that. Let's help people. Let's push people. He used to बच्चों को NASA भेज रहा है. So I think he always tell me that आप ना film के अलावा भी life में कुछ और सोचा करो. Because
Ah,
what happened. I've spent like 15 years in the industry. I've done all like 200 films. So my life is all
ah,
about film. He said,
ah,
"Bhaiya, there are more to that." So I think, and he also used to write his dreams, and वो tick करके उसको पूरे करता था. Everyone
ah.
sees हम सब लोग dream देखते हैं, but very few people can actually, you know, complete the dream. He used to, make a list,
Bucket list
bucket list.
बना
He used
के,
to,
हाँ,
yeah, bucket list बना के tick mark everything. So वो बहुत
हाँ.
special बात थी उसके बारे में.
Hmm. And that was still there, like till the last time, when like that enthusiasm and the
Always,
passion for
always,
life.
always enthusiastic, always and always energetic, always positive, and always charming other people, and not even trying hard to charm
Yeah.
people. Very naturally, very naturally comes to him. If you're talking to him for 5 minutes, you won't even get to know that 2 घंटे हो गए. That charm. Yeah.
Yes. I will I'll take a moment and I will recall the best memory that I have of Sushant. Yeah, and I want to know your best memory. I understand, like when you spend time with your friend, you really do not take it as a memory, but you just go with the flow. But the I also, like me as a journalist, when I have interviewed him several times, but there's one moment that I would like to recall. I was talking to him and all of that, and then I said, like, So tell me one thing, success का hangover नहीं रहता. So then I said like, come on, I mean, you have seen so much success, and you have fan clubs and all of that. So then he said he took a pause. He looked at me. He said I will tell you a story. I tell you, and he had that habit of flipping his finger like this, and he said that there was a time when I used to dance. I used to dance as a backup dancer. Yeah, I shared my room with other boys. I was staying in a PG and all of that. All those things were happening, logistical crises and whatever financial crisis I was going through. But when I'm on the stage and I'm dancing, yeah, bhale hi main piche dance karu, in the joy of dancing, Arundhati, the joy of performing, creating a character, making you believe that this character exists in the reality, jabki reality mein wo hai nahi, through my performance. I live for that moment without knowing how I'm going to create it, without knowing if I know it. I live for that moment. And Mukesh, when he was telling me all this, I was just getting that vibe, man. Like
the energy, his energy, his passion. His passion for his work, and for him, every small little thing was very important. He used to celebrate each and everything. When he used to eat food, he was super excited when he's eating food. Even if he's driving, he was super excited. Even if he's playing with his dog, he was super excited. He was never like half-heartedly doing anything. Always, even if he's talking, he's fully there. He's playing, he's fully there. So that was a great quality about Sushant. Like he was never 50-50. Like sometimes when we are always thinking about 10,000 other things, he also should think 100 things. But when he's talking to you, he will give you 100%. His attention, the charm, like he's there, right? Like you can actually feel the energy. You don't want to move,
That passion. Tell me, what is that one of those defining moments when you realize that from a casting director-actor relation to now this man is my friend for life?
I think the way he used to celebrate each and every moment. Even he's eating together, if we're discussing, he has to give so much love, and the vibe of energy, he's so pure and energy. He will never give you a fake vibe. I could sense that when he's calling me bhai, I could actually feel that he's actually calling me a bhai. That sound, I still miss that phone karke when he used to say that bhai kya kar rahe ho? So I know that when he's saying bhai, he means it. That purity of his sound, maybe that's what attracted me the most.
Was there any creative argument between you and Sushant when you were filming?
No. I think he always treated me like a brother. I used to tell him ki ye karna hai. He always give me suggestion. Always healthy discussion. We used to help each other, and we were never like a director and actor on set. We were like more than friends and brother. Ki ye karna hai.
Close on work. Yeah. Okay.
It's like he, I could see his mood, that he's in a very happy mood. So I would immediately change, let's do this scene today. Because location is same, let's do this scene today. I would tell my DOP, I would tell my first TDK, let's change the setup. We're doing this scene. Because when I see that his mood is in a very different space, either this is the right time, let's do this scene. So I always, because they understand each other. So yeah.
Tricky. That was a very tricky thing that you tried, huh? Of course the film is the original film, Fault in Our Stars. We all watched the film. Why did you decide to make your debut with the remake of this film?
I think when I read the script, I felt it right. If I was feeling right, so I think I should make this film. I should tell this story to people, because not many people have seen the film original. Only maybe one set of people in Bangalore or Bombay or Delhi, but I don't think people in Punjab or UP or MP and small towns have seen. So I think I'm feeling it right, and it's a very important and very important message is also there, and it's a love story. Yes. So that was the reason
there's a very important dialogue, and बहुत अच्छी बात है कि वो dialogue, like Sushant only saying that dialogue in the film, in which
completely opposite of what he's saying in life.
Yeah, but so much. Yeah. So I now when you look back, do you look back and redefine the idea of life and death differently, Mukesh?
I don't know, because when I was writing a film with Shashank, when they were writing a film with dialogue and all, तो आप एक film को जब लिखते हो, actually you don't think कि you just make your film as a filmmaker, and the reality is very different now. So yeah, so that film is talk about कि you should definitely enjoy your life. It's about hope. It's about be there for each other. And now the every dialogue and every scene of the film, the meaning is fully changed, and everything is changed about the film.
I do not want to I do not want you to recall all the bad memories of getting the phone call and like when you heard the news for the first time. I do not want that, because I know and especially my sister, right, like otherwise she doesn't react, but that was the moment where she's like, ye galat news hai na re, ye sahi nahi hai na re. And I'm like, listen, now you have to believe this. I know it's hard, but you have to believe this. When was that moment when you actually had to believe that?
अभी तक नहीं हुआ. I'm still not. I still can't believe it. I still can't believe it, because I was not talking to anyone for a month. I was just sitting at home and only working the film. I was thinking very differently, because I see him every day. For me, he's right here. I'm cutting the trailer, I'm working on the songs, I'm working on the film. So I see him every day. मैं हमेशा आपको था नहीं बोल पाता हूँ. I still think कि should I use him in past tense. It's very difficult for me to still talk about him in past. कि वो था. It's very. I still, I just started talking for the last couple of days. So maybe you see me talking now, because I still can't believe it. I remember that moment as you told me about 14th June. I can never forget 14th June of the rest of my life now. My mom, dad, my family, all my closest friends who knows me that I'm very close to Sushant, everyone called me. Are you sure it's a true? Are you sure they're asking me, because they were also in disbelief that I said I can't believe it, because they thought I'm Sushant's friend. तो मैं उनको सच बताऊंगा. I said I still can't believe it.
Yes.
Yeah.
How I mean, we all are gonna remember Sushant as the lovely man that he was, the actor, the talented actor, the energetic actor that he was, right? Of course, you remember him as a friend, but if I ask you to say one line about Sushant, how do you encapsulate the journey that you guys had?
I think he was an actual hero, not just a hero in film. You just, look at the amount of love. So many people, every fan, I was reading a comment, सब लोग उसके hero की तरह देखते, not just a filmy hero. Look at the amount of work and amount of things he used to do. हम लोग तो सिर्फ सोचते हैं. I think he was actually a hero for me. I look up to him कि यार कैसा बंदा है. The way he thinks, the way he think about his dreams, the way he think about stars, the way he think about books, the way he reads. So I also look at मैं उससे बड़ा हूँ, but I still look at him कि यार क्या बंदा है. Actually, he was a hero, actually a hero, not just a hero in film.
How many butterfly in your stomach right now? The film is about to
Actually, it's a very. I'm excited, but I'm also sad. I'm feeling responsible. I don't know how I'm feeling it. I'm not sure, because the feeling is very different. Because I wanted to celebrate my first film with him. He's not there. So actually, it's a very bitter and sweet mixed feeling. There's so many emotions. So right now, when I'm talking to you, also I'm also like dealing with so many emotions right now. When you talk about 14th June, I'm suddenly go back to that memory. When I'm talking about Butterfly, I'm not even thinking that's my first film. And it's a very different feeling. It's not. This feeling is not normal. I can sense. I can feel about my own self.
But Mukesh, thank you so much for talking to us. It's really lovely talking to you.
Thank you.
We are really looking forward to this film, and all the best.
Thank you
all the best for the debut film. Thank you.
So
Thanks. Bye.